Everyone thinks the best-selling balance board is automatically the best one. But is that really true? If you look a little closer, the story is actually quite different. Product number 1, Strong Tech Wooden Balance Board. The Strong Tech Professional Wooden Balance Board caught my eye with its sleek design and sturdy build. Priced at $38.99, it promises durability and versatility. If you want to build core strength while working at your standing desk, this is worth a serious look. It's built from durable Luan hardwood plywood, supporting up to 350 pounds, which means you can really put it to the test. Plus, the non-slip base ensures it stays put, making it perfect for a standing desk. With a solid 4.6-star rating from 766 reviews, it's clear that many users appreciate its ability to enhance balance and core stability. Now, some people complained about its size, saying it's a bit bulkier than expected. Here's the thing though, if you're looking for a sturdy board that can handle rigorous workouts, the size is a trade-off for its stability. If you're after something compact, this might not be for you. This is perfect for you if you're serious about building core strength and want a long-lasting tool. Skip this one if you prefer a lightweight, travel-friendly option. For the price, it's definitely a solid investment for your health. Now, if the Strong Tech's bulkiness bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach. Product number 2, Yes4 All Wobble Balance Board. The Yes4 All Wobble Balance Board brings a playful twist with its vibrant design and practical features. At just $31.89, it's an affordable option for those looking to add some movement to their standing desk. If you want a board that promotes fun while you work, this one is a great choice. Here's why this matters for you specifically. With a diameter of 16.3 inches, it provides ample space for your feet, which is perfect for stability. The TPE textured surface gives you grip and comfort, and it even has massage spikes that provide a gentle massage effect as you work out. It supports up to 300 pounds, which is decent for most users, and has a 4.5-star rating across 3,500 reviews, indicating a solid reputation. Now, some users noted that it can feel a bit wobbly for beginners. But here's my perspective. That wobbliness is actually what makes it effective for building balance and coordination. If you're just starting out, it might take some getting used to, but it's worth the effort. This is perfect for you if you want a fun, effective way to incorporate fitness into your day. Skip this one if you need something that feels stable right away. For the price, it's fantastic value for what you get. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for all-around use. Product number 3, Gibbons Slackboard. The Gibbons Slackboard genuinely surprised me with its unique design and high price tag of $169.99. It's a balance board that appeals to both kids and adults, making it a fun addition to any workspace. If you want something that adds a playful element to your fitness routine, this could be your pick. It promotes core strength and improves posture, which are essential for anyone spending long hours at a desk. The low-profile design keeps you close to the ground, making it safer for kids and beginners. Plus, with a 4.6-star rating from 893 reviews, it's clearly a favorite among users. Now, I did find that the price can be a bit off-putting for some. Here's the thing though, the quality and versatility it offers make it worth the investment if you're serious about balance training. If you're on a budget though, you might want to consider other options. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a high-quality balance board that the whole family can use. Skip this one if you're just dipping your toes into fitness. For the investment, you're getting something durable and fun. Now, if Gibbons' price made you hesitate, the next product is a budget-friendly option that doesn't skimp on quality. Product number 4, Woodure Wobble Board. The Woodure Balance Board stands out for its affordability at just $24.29. This is a simple yet effective option for anyone looking to improve their balance while working. If you want a straightforward, no-frills approach to balance training, this one is worth checking out. Here's why this matters for you specifically. This board is designed for beginners and those with balance issues, making it a great entry point. It supports up to 350 pounds, and its anti-slip surface ensures safety during use. With a rating of 4.4 stars from 435 reviews, it shows that people appreciate its effectiveness without breaking the bank. It's also portable, so you can easily take it anywhere. Some users mention that it may not be as durable as pricier options. But honestly, if you're just starting out or looking for a casual workout option, this board gets the job done without emptying your wallet. This is perfect for you if you want an affordable option that still offers essential balance training. Skip this one if you're looking for advanced features. For the price, it's a steal for anyone wanting to stay active at their desk. Alright, we've covered some great options. But the last one on my list really brings a unique twist to standing desk setups. Product number 5, FEZIBO Standing Desk Mat. The FEZIBO Standing Desk Mat caught my attention with its ergonomic design and multifunctionality, priced at $69.99. It's not just a balance board, it's a comfort mat that keeps you moving while you work. If you're looking for something that enhances your entire standing desk experience, this is a solid contender. Here's why this matters for you specifically. This mat allows for 360-degree movement, promoting micro movements that can soothe stiff joints and improve circulation. It's designed to help you stay active while you stand, making it easier to avoid fatigue throughout the day. With a 4.5-star rating from 3,700 reviews, it's clear users are finding it beneficial for long hours of standing. Some people found it a bit bulky to move around, which can be a drawback. Here's the thing though, once you find your spot, the comfort and benefits it provides are well worth it. If you're looking for something more portable, this might not be your best bet. This is perfect for you if you stand for long periods and want an effective way to stay comfortable and active. Skip this one if you need something ultra-portable. For the price, it offers great value and comfort for your workspace. So we've gone through 5 different balance boards, each with its own strengths and weaknesses. Whether you're looking for something sturdy like the Strong Tech, fun like the Gibbon, or budget-friendly like the Woodyer, there's an option for everyone. Choose what fits your lifestyle best and get ready to enhance your time at that standing desk.